For over 100 years, Meyer Company has provided specialty and industrial gases, welding supply, and automation solutions for customers across the Midwest. No one knows industrial gas applications like Meyer Company. Trust that we've got what you need: oxygen, nitrogen, argon, helium, CO2, propane, or hydrogen for welding or cutting metals and alloys, specialty mixes, and more. And we supply your gas the way you need it, in bulk, cradles, cylinders, or liquid, with barcode tracking, all tested to ISO 9001 standards. From manufacturing to medical to beverage service applications, we customize the gas delivery solutions that help you work smarter, with greater efficiency, seamless operations, and better outcomes. Put our welding expertise to work. We can help you assess your workflow and identify the best processes and tools for your welding or cutting applications and post-weld finishing. Shop our retail showroom. You'll find the right tool for the job, so you can get more done and get it done right, for efficiency that improves your bottom line. We provide certified service and repair for all welding equipment, helping you keep your operations running strong for maximum productivity. Today's modern production requires innovative process applications. We offer a full range of automation solutions, from large CNC cutting machines to small portable welding units to robotic devices. And if you're not sure what you need, visit our Omar room to test drive our automation solutions to find the right fit. Whether you're a homeowner or production manager, if you rely on propane for everyday functionality, you can trust our team to customize a solution just for you. From residential service with pre-buy, monthly budget plan options, and tank monitoring for peace of mind, to industrial cylinders with a never-run-out guarantee, we've got you covered. For restaurants, bars, and breweries, our carbonic solutions help you deliver a better customer experience while reducing costs and improving safety. By eliminating the hassle of changing out cylinders, our low-pressure CO2 system saves you maintenance time and overhead, improves workplace safety, and makes your everyday operations a whole lot easier. For cities and municipalities that manage water treatment facilities, bulk gas delivery is an excellent solution for managing critical supply while driving down costs. And for property managers maintaining swimming pools, our system requires zero employee handling while delivering a continuous supply of CO2 for pool water safety and clarity. The ultimate solution with big savings. If you're in healthcare, we can help you operate your hospital, surgery center, or veterinary clinic with confidence. Using our premium medical gases and custom delivery systems, we do it all. From one-room retrofit projects, medical-grade oxygen, liquid nitrogen, and other essential gases you need to meet rigid regulatory and scheduling requirements. Plus, 24/7 emergency support for seamless operations. We exceed industry standards by filling and testing medical gases in our state-of-the-art facility and gas lab. Quality gas and delivery that helps improve patient outcomes and provide operational peace of mind. At Meyer Company, we make your job easier, your workplace and your home safer, all at an honest, competitive rate. Whether you're a small startup or an industry giant, expect the same personal service, on-time delivery, and quality product every time.